चलिए, क्लास 12 साइंस, कॉमर्स इत्यादि की 2022 की परीक्षा के लिए इंग्लिश के प्रोज यानी कि 5 प्रोज मैं इस वीडियो में डाल रहा हूं। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलेंगे, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलेंगे। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दाब देंगे और किसी तरह की समस्या हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में अवश्य लिखेंगे। चलिए, अब प्रोज नंबर एक है। इसका नाम क्या है? इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर। द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर focuses on Indian civilization which is peerless. According to Gandhi ji, Indian civilization can't be vanished at any cost. Most of the parts of the civilizations of all others expired or become westernized. But Indian civilization is continuing. Indian civilization teaches us to control our desire and passion. Indian civilization forbids us to run after luxuries. Indian civilization teaches us to be hardworking, stand on own feet, to use our hands, feet which save us from slavery of luxuries, which is the base of the Western civilization. Indian civilization always tells us to spend village life. Town or city's life is filled with prostitution and robbery. Now I am repeating this. Village life, town or cities, village life. You can say यह फिर मैं इस सेंटेंस को दोहरा देता हूँ। इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन ऑलवेज टेल्स अस टू स्पेंड विलेज लाइफ, टाउन और सिटीज लाइफ इज filled with prostitution and exploitation, robbery, etc. Prose fourth, I Have a Dream by Martin Luther Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in 1929. I Have a Dream is a speech delivered by him on the steps of Lincoln Memorial in Washington on August 28, 1963. This great American had signed the Emancipation Proclamation. This enlightened a ray of hope in the heart of the billions of Negro slaves who had till now sourced in the यहाँ सोर्चड लिखा, सोर्चड SORCHED in the fire of contempt, in the fire of contemptibleness. You can say contemptible, इसको बोलते हैं contempt क्या बोलते हैं, कॉन्टेम्पटिबलनेस एंड सेल्फिशनेस. दिस brought a new morning of freedom to demolish the right of the slavery. Marx says that as a rough passage become plain, in the same way one day the problems of Negroes will be solved. He had a freedom that the sons of former slaves and the sons of the former slaves owner of the Red Hill of Georgia would be able to sit down together in a table of brotherhood. Martin Luther also said that someday or other Negroes, इसको रिपीट कर देते हैं कहीं आपको नहीं दिखा हो. मार्टिन लूथर also said that some days or other Negroes will get fully freedom. Prose 5. Ideas that have helped mankind by Bertrand Arthur William Russell. The ideas that have helped mankind are those that contribute to knowledge and technique, and those that concerned with moral and politics. I will treat first those that have to do with knowledge, and the most important and difficult steps were taken before the dawn of history. At what stage language began is not known, but we may be pretty certain that it began very gradually. Without it would have been very difficult to hand on form generation the invention and discover that were gradually made. Other great step which may have either before or after the beginning of the language was the utilization of fire. Fire saved the ancestors from wild beasts and helped cookery. Prose 6. The Artist by Shiga Navia. Shiga Navia is a famous and celebrated Japanese short story writer of the 20th century. The artist Sebi is one of the stories. Sebi was 12 years old Japanese boy at primary school. His hobby was to wander about the town looking. Then the evening he would sit cross-legged in the corner of the living room, working on his newly acquired fruit. That kind of fruit is called gourd. मतलब वो फ्रूट जो है गॉड था, यानी कि कुम्हरा. Fruit gourd. When he had finished eating it, he poured in a little sack, inserted a cork stop which he had fashioned himself, wrapped it in a towel, put this in a tin especially kept for the purpose, and finally placed the whole thing in the charcoal foot warmer. His father was very unhappy with his behavior. Prost 7th. A child is born by Germany Guerrier. Germany Guerrier. Germany Guerrier is a famous feminist writer. Oh, attracts attracts our attention towards the birth of a child. She says that a child is born in. फिर रिपीट करते हैं यहाँ से. He says that a child is born in any society. Born in any society. On the occasion of birth, started to be highlighted. The child becomes the member of that family. The naming ceremony is lovely. It is held when this is in 7 days old. A new dress for child and new sari for mother is brought. There is feasting and singing until late at night. The women and girls dance and sing songs. That is when the name is chosen. मतलब that is when the name is chosen. The ceremony is held for the birth of a boy or girl. Of course, it is considered better to have a boy, but the birth of a girl is celebrated with shame. Joy by the women in the family. We sit together to eat party and singing. Some of us might be young, unmarried girls. All in party wish for the long life of child. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any problem, write in comments box. Thanks for watching my video.